Second year na ni Kim,
Yes.
renewal. So, bakit si Kim ulit?
Siyempre kasi, first of all, yung si Kim, she embodies talaga yung qualities of being a sister. So, she's very hardworking, she's fun to be with, and siyempre, aside from that, alam naman natin from Monday to Sunday, walang pahinga, parang 24/7, buhay na buhay si Kim, no? Pero she really takes care of herself. And actually, that's what we want for sisters, na dapat tayo mga kababaihan, kahit anong age natin, kahit ano man yung social status natin, dapat maging mapursige tayo sa buhay. Pero let's not forget to have fun and syempre to always take care of ourselves kasi health is wealth.
Sabi ko, isa lang. Bonus one. Kaya, kumusta yung naging, sales, everything ng sisters mula nung si Kim na yung endorser?
Actually, syempre, hindi naman tayo magre-renew kung walang increase of sales. So, very, very, very satisfactory yung naging, si Kim yung aming naging endorser.
So, happy ka?
Yes, very.
Okay. So, parang sabay din na sobrang bongga ni Kim ngayon, career-wise,
Of course,
no?
sobra. Kaya nga nakakatuwa na kahit gaano siya ka-busy, meron pa rin siyang time for, for sa amin as sisters. And syempre, ang maganda rin kasi kay Kimi, yung naging partnership namin, it's not just about being her as our endorser. Naging talagang magka-sisters talaga kami. So, nagkukumustahan. Hindi lang sa pag nagkikita, but marami rin ako mga tinatanong sa kanya mga beauty tips. Kasi syempre, di ba, who doesn't want to be like Kim? Diba? Everybody wants to be like Kim. So, syempre, isa na ako dyan.
Lahat na napansin pagbabago sa kanya? Like, lumaki ba ulo or something?
No. Very humble. Tapos, syempre, the usual Kim pa rin, napaka-hardworking. Tapos, yun nga, talagang pa rin siya talaga, very friendly and all that.